Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to add bio in Discord. Now to do that, open the Discord application first and then get logged in into the account. Once you are logged in, you need to go to the profile of yours. So tap on profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. In this page, you need to go to the profile, tap that. So this is the user profile here. If you scroll down, you will have the about me option. There you can type in whatever you want to put out in their Discord display homepage. Now in here, I'm just going to type in random details. I'm just going to type in this and then I'm going to tap on save on the top right, tap that. This will save the changes that I have just made. Now you go back to your profile. Now if someone views their profile, the about me details that you have just written will be shown as your bio in Discord. Now if you want to change it again, you can go to the profile and make changes in about me. Hope this video was useful on how you can add bio in Discord. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.